fit for our hero. The oven is hot to 450 degrees. We are taking non-aerosol EVOO and spraying down, in this case, broccolini. And we're adding chili peppers, a couple of large shallots, thinly sliced lengthwise, garlic that I just whacked on the counter and crushed. So we've got a little salt on these guys. We don't need more black pepper, but I like black pepper, and this is mine. So I'm adding black pepper, even though there's chili peppers on the tray. And we're gonna throw this in a 450 oven until it's crispy at the edges and tender crisp on the stems. In this pan, we're going to take Italian frying peppers, so cubanelles, and some sweet reds. We're gonna let them start cooking down. You always season every layer of a dish, so salt and pepper on the peppers. That sounds so redundant, salt and pepper on the peppers. A little oregano or marjoram, very similar. Moving along down here, I love, on my subs, I always get some chili pepper relish, and we're putting chili peppers in the dish, or giardiniera. And when I make them at home, I do this too. I drain it down, I pop it into the food processor, and just zap it so it becomes a relish that's more evenly distributed on the sub. When you roast up the broccolini or broccoli rabe, cut a lemon and spray it down with some olive oil too, so it roasts along with the broccolini. It gives it a really delightful finish. To douse, ooh, that's hot. To douse the broccolini with the juice of charred roast lemon is just cray-cray good. The Italian frying peppers, cubanelle and red frying peppers, we're now going to add those pickled peppers, and you could do sweet pickled cherry peppers or hot. My family, as you know, likes everything spicy. So I'm gonna add a little bit. Don't go insane, because you have the giardiniera relish too. And then we're gonna take a little bit of that vinegar brine and just douse the pan with it. I'm gonna add just a splash of beef broth, or this is bone broth actually. This is how we build. I'll just show you one. I put a little bit of the relish, the giardiniera, on the bottom of our hero. Then I'm going to add our shaved roast beef. Every bite should be the same in every sandwich, remember. Then we're gonna put the slicing pepperoni or hot sopressata, your choice. I have slicing pepperoni. Then we're going to take some of our peppers. A little heat in the middle, right? And we're gonna top that with the provolone, which we're gonna melt. And then on the other side of the provolone, to ensure that everybody touches cheese and everybody stays nice and hot, our roast broccolini or broccoli rabe. We look great! This thing is so huge. I really suggest serving it even individually on a cutting board or a platter, because look at the size of them. And then we dot a little bit more of the giardiniera up on top and across.